As you add material, your shopping cart will populate. Once you are finished, select Checkout. From here, you will have the ability to choose your desired shipping address. Click the Change button next to the Ship To and make your selection. Next, click Continue. Please note that freight is populated in DeMI based on the zip code that is chosen on this step. On the next screen is where you will add your PO number, job name, preferred shipping method, and any comments for customer service. You will also see an option to estimate freight based on the zip code chosen. Once all appropriate information has been filled in, click Continue. And if no other changes are needed, click Submit, and a customer service representative will be in touch with your final quote. To place an order, follow the steps for a quote, but select Order Entry above the billing information on the shipping page instead. This will process your cart as an order directly to our ERP system. Customer service will receive a notification that an order was placed, and you will receive an order acknowledgement within 24 hours. Once again, we are excited to introduce DeMI, your portal to everything Linx. We hope you found this video helpful. For more details, other videos, or documentation, please visit the DeMI website or contact us directly.